Strategic Time Management Masterclass, which is coming to you very soon. Do you know what the Strategic Time Management Masterclass is? It is a flagship workshop. It's a flagship masterclass with which the time lenders started 21 years ago. And in the last 21 years in Pakistan and in the GCC, this workshop has been performing consistently without breaks. And I don't know if there is any other workshop which has been happening that frequently in the region. And I personally believe, according to data that we have, over 60,000 people have gone through this personal workshop and brought changes, positive changes in their lives, in terms of their performance, in terms of their productivity, in terms of managing their work and their family and the personal life, in terms of developing better habits which are required for the success in this world and the hereafter, in terms of going for bigger goals in life. So I would really recommend you to join me in this masterclass which is coming to you shortly. The dates are there on your screen. And let me quickly tell you what we are going to talk about, what we are going to cover in this masterclass. Look, this masterclass is not just about how to manage your 9 to 5 or 9 to 6. It's actually about managing 24 hours of your day, 7 days of your week, 30 days of your month, and 365 days of your year. If you exactly know the structure and the concepts and the techniques to design your year, month, week, and day, your effectiveness, your performance, your quality of everything in your life will go up. And that's what previous participants have experienced in this particular masterclass. You have got the testimonials on the page, on the landing page. You can read them, you can see them for yourself. And this is, I'm not just bragging about this particular masterclass or my company, but this is, alhamdulillah, the truth. And a number of organizations have trusted us with this particular masterclass for their employees as well. So I really would like you to join us, because this workshop will teach you how to effectively prioritize your different tasks, how to plan those tasks in your schedule and in your to-dos, how to balance your life with respect to your work, with your family, with your children, with your personal goals and your spiritual goals, how to develop the determination which is required to consistently apply these concepts in life. Because if you learn the best concepts, the best structures in the world, but if you don't have the determination, you will not be able to really get benefit out of those concepts. In this workshop, inshallah, I'll be delivering a module, a comprehensive module on how can you work on and increase your level of determination, and how not to get it down to the level where you are unable to do anything in life. So this workshop is a life changer, it's a game changer for thousands of people globally. And I would really like you to see with me in this workshop, in this masterclass coming up right there in your city very soon. The dates are there on the page. Thank you very much and looking forward to see you.